Shalom, Ambazonia. People of the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons, good morning.
Nothing know to walk, people just to suffer. Picking there for boom, Papa put your hands on me. They want know the walk.
Good citizens of Ambazonia. Today na number 16 day for the month of September 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. The title for this episode na Fool Me One Time, na shame for your head. Fool me number 2 time, then na shame for my head. The meaning for this parable na say, if person can fool you for first time, na shame for that man, because that man they so na he be the bad man, na he be na wicked man, na he be na con man. But if the man come fool you number 2 time, shame then for your head. Because it means say you be na fufulefu, you be na ambazamzam. If then take you 2 time, good people them for Ambazonia. Would they na for number 3 years for inside our revolution. This number 3 it be very important for me as a messianic Jew. That means a Christian, the way they worship God, just like the Jewish people them. This number 3 year, it come closer to the anniversary for the 1st of October declaration, where Siseko Ayoktabi will declare the restoration of the independence and sovereignty of our territory, Ambazonia. The way where people be come out for 22nd for September and 1st of October 2017, it be done show for the war, say the people them, then true, they want to come out for the union with la Republique du Cameroon. Our recognition be eminent. The only way we poor beer for fit destroy the prospect for we for come out for get independence. It be enough for them for use the same old trick way they don't always do them. Send somebody we go come take over the struggle, turn them go time for inside side we go for water. La Republique, their modus operandi, now always forget a leader where they feel manipulate them so that it could bring things towards them side. Just like how they be easily manipulate John Gufoncha for bring Southern Cameroon for inside la Republique with fake promises the way they be making for ye, even prop it up. Now the same thing where they be doing with Niger on Frundi when they be launch the SDF. Paul Biya them hijack the agenda for SDF. Turn Frundi, it turn be na puppet for them. Now so they be done always the work. Time way Ambazonian revolution it be enter for Skakuf. They be try for bring people for inside where they go turn the struggle, me go bring back for la Republique. But as this one now God ordained struggle, then try for bring people for inside. It turned out for be say the leader way emerge na Siseko Ayoktabi. He no be been a man for la Republique, definitely, because he imprisonment and the testimony we talk where they talk about court, they testify for ye. But the agents them for la Republique then try for turn Siseko. Me go bring this struggle back for place where la Republique one time. It no go. Now either way they make arrangement for kidnapping from Nigeria, bring them for inside la Republique du Cameroon, for put the people them where they go stir the revolution, bring them back for Yaoundé. Nothing that way happen. My country people, they be done fool or papa them for Fumban conference. They come for can do them for this one generation. God forbid. I be done tell now, say time way they be kidnapped Siseko. I do my investigation, would discover them. Say la Republique du Cameroon then get agent inside the IG, where be the stir things them, bring things them towards them. The agent for la Republique where it did for inside the IG, it be na Richard Tango. Now the man where na be put Sako for power for inside the IG. Now the man where job be na for select vulnerable people the way na con people them and wiggly them for put them for strategic position them. And for make sure say all true revolutionary them inside the IG then be kicked out somehow, some way, so that the people then where they go stay we go back for Yaoundé, then go take full charge of the revolution. That Richard Tango for inside the interim government na a fake name. The Richard Tango na fake name. The real name for this agent na Yengo Richard. Na brother for the disarmament minister for la Republique du Cameroon, the man we probably put him in charge for disarm Amber Boy them, Fa Yengo Francis. Now a small brother where them put him like undercover agent for inside the interim government. I be done tell una the roof for Field Marshal for the Red Dragon, how we done uncover the plan B for La République du Cameroon and in rule. I be done tell una about how Samuel Sako, they be go get meeting with Peter Mafani Musonge, then plan for take we go for Switzerland. As a matter of fact, the first time I be talk say negotiation, they already go for Switzerland. They one stone me to death. Time where Eric Tato, he began the talk say me Ambazonia people, then begin cut hand for our own people. Me will begin attack our own students them. Me will begin attack francophone them. I be tell una say na an agent provocateur from La République du Cameroon, the master planner for Mr. Paul Biya, person wey na be the worker follow La République du Cameroon, their minister for back money for La République. Na way they move on for Cameroon, they send am for diaspora. Even the one where they call am Nilong, he be commander for La République. He be work for government for Cameroon before the movie send am for inside Germany. Day me go for the like undercover agent. Then plenty for inside our revolution. Now where this issue for dialogue don't come. Now win way don't blow upon their last. Me all man for Ambazonia. No who be who for Instagram Zero. Who be enabler. Who be collaborator. From opposition party, from men of God, down to our activists them. As Mapanabo for today talk. If them fool you one time, na shame for that man where he can fool you because na wishman, na thief man. But if them fool you number 2 time, that means say you say you get problem. My job now for take the donkey to the river once more. My good people of Ambazonia, I no go over repeat myself with too much analysis because I don't do one for 2 years, but I go straight to the point. Ambazonia done already win this war for our independence. Now at the final stage this for conclude and for recognize say now we Ambazonia then will get control for that land. After we done take out Sonera, La République du Cameroon they run out of money. They no get money for fight this war, even for 2 more years. They don't try for borrow money for all sides, they don't deny. Now United Nations, they give them money subsidy. It didn't like now welfare where they go take them. When I no mind how Paul Biya the worker show that for outside. Inside they don't finish all. Money no they for even pay worker them for next year for that country. When I be here, the United Nations Security Council be get an informal meeting regarding the war for Ambazonia independence. When I be here, like a warning where the international community began for Mr. Paul Biya, say make we get for dialogue without any condition. When I be done here, the same official they be done warn, say if Paul Biya continue with the massacre for Ambazonia, within 1 year, Ambazonia will secede from La République. Would then have a climax. Paul Biya know say things that are bad. As the UN they come, their eternal committee that they hold for prepare what will go happen that day because that meeting them they don't come now for come make conclusion. Now you will either come out to announce dialogue. Now you joke at this for semi spoil or thing for get the last chance for prevent the international community. Me they no open book because if they open that book, it no go show, it no go favor their side. Now you will see Chris Ano he come out, he talk say Ambazonia go surrender. You know, we don't talk that word now because if we want make play. You know, say La République, they try to push it and I be spokesperson for this revolution. Even when they don't fire he from inside the interim government, the international media, they still give microphone for he. Because which way they talk, he the hell of La République. When Paul Biya go for that, they are meeting them. Now, a voice they go play and for them meet and hear, like the spokesperson for the revolution. Now their intelligent report where La République dan give for the UN and for the international community. Say now they state this for the people where they fight with. So when Chris Ano he can talk say me will surrender. Una first hear how he talk him. Una listen.
Way you have to give your money. You don't give your money, we will lay down tools, we'll carry our hands on our head, surrender to La République du Cameroon, and that will be all. I just have to say it the way it is.
Not be player for player. As Chris Ano he talk him so he give na ammunition for Mr. Paul Biya for go use them for UN. For go show the UN say me they no help we now so me they no open fire. Me they do wait small because Ambazonia they don't finish. When I even here, he go talk so when I hear for their own spokesperson, money no day. And when I see for these 3 years they no already get money, nothing no go change. When I never meet them fail, rather than for go start begin do some difficult things say when I want separate country. Surely, then CBR for inside United Nations office. When I hear testimony for G-Bands where he be there for that office where they be TP off, he come for the each take eye. See Mr. Paul Biya for inside there for that how they push it enter for inside elevator. When I hear.
Ambalana, the 2 1 on and I say Kumkuma Pobia for La République du Cameroon. It don't play una 419. Kumkuma de New York. I see Kumkuma Ibahed, Mrs. F. I take my 2 Koro ID, Koro ID and so. When they open, I don't tire where. I see Kumkuma de New York for UN. High level meeting we did today on Cameroon for New York Security Council meeting. Where the other members they don't summon Kumkuma. They can talk the way the matter go on. Kumkuma don't talk, say they give dialogue a chance. Say don't open up to dialogue, national dialogue, true national dialogue, veritable national dialogue. So the council not really make a hearing on a matter where dialogue they go on, the dialogue where they only call for.
When I be done year, last year we Pobia talk for end of year message. Say get people way then they did be willing party them for negotiate with you inside our revolution. When I be facing a lie, we be telling us say Samuel Sako they be done chop money. Even Chris Anu report the come off for ground zero. Say the money where they be catchy mommy take money for her. Say that money be na money where they be done bribe them. That way them fee say they be done the loss, the control for the interim government. They come back for can't take that money. When I listen for one of the official them, their report, when I hear
why La République would take Chris and Mami, see today we insist that they still be under their custody. When I don't ask you a big question.
$1 million question that.
Yes. Is it normal say they will arrest Chris and Mami for inside as his sister? 180 million. What's that money for? Which will La République talk, my brother? Who get here them for ground zero? Who don't negotiate, it reverse, it touch and you don't understand?
Yeah.
Only for level where they say you know if you go, they need back their money. They need to go take back their money.
So La République they go arrest Mami for take back the money. They go catch you for
Now their money where they take them back.
so these people they are working for La République, they are not working for Ambazonia. They have been compromised, just like how they will want for can lie Ambazonia. Siseko Ayoktabi be compromised. Them be compromised. You know say Pobia no one enter for any negotiation. You know the first civil like people where the fish don't negotiate with ye. The Switzerland negotiation will be na charade. And now we no way. Ayabacho don't fight today, no way it don't join inside La République du Cameroon, you know if come for corner. The Switzerland negotiation where if they be done announce them for the whole world, so tell you and the supporter all man support them. No be even the negotiation where you come talk say one may go. If they come talk say one are the one for La République because na the only way for you for take away Ambazonia their liberty. Even man way he done finish book for inside university for learn law. You know say even for normal case. I did give example for normal case. If man make first offer for inside law, they always reject first offer because first offer now for just test the ground. But for tell na say people then they way they go for all extent for stand behind La République there for enable Mr. Pobia for evade negotiation we go bring Ambazonia a case file for down we go give we freedom. Then they plenty. Now listen, Eric Tato, the one we will be done tell na say na agent provocateur man we be the work for La République for make sure say me reverse all the gains they would make them. For make sure say me what people them what Amber boy them influence for them now for fight each other for bring punishment on our people guard people their hand 10 our civilian against our population. Now he now it don't stand it talks say it don't endorse this negotiation with La République the game where even La République their own journalists them their own analysis they don't talk say the one are rubbish. When I listen for the Eric Tato when I hear he
I want to today declare that we would go for that dialogue. And this is how we'll go for the dialogue. I am going for the dialogue that I said in my interview yesterday. Because I will not allow Pobia to play tricks with me.
Now the same man this way with the talk say me and Ambazonia people them cut hand for people the way they oppose the policy them the law for the revolution. Now the same man if you go get that zeal for go against people then to that extent for the commit war crime. When I feel say na the same man go feel be rational enough for go take negotiation. A negotiation when an escape route for La République for evade the inevitable recognition of Ambazonia and the opening of our files for the United Nations. Now the same person na fisi na go can stand talk some go negotiate and then for they give all kind of fake reasons say Mr. Pobia want make na trick for we. At the end of the day, they don't put the voice for they for take am go play am say na the main activities this way get away una they follow am una see na the Ambazonia people and this na the people this way they follow and they talk for na the decision this way they talk. So Muna no give them independence self because after all they come see Pobia no be even for abroad for inside la Republic for go get a fake negotiation. You know, take na rocket science for any man for no say this one no be any negotiation. Now those things for became pastime me la Republic evade the international sanctions them. For see what I will be full them for take them. Fellow Ambazonians, I no go waste my time over for give analysis what I am suited tired for 2 years. But now things and be clear for na eye for no. The only thing I go tell na say Ambazonia the independence be very clean and clear. No be something waiting for drag rope. We'll be on the right side for the law and we'll win this fight so easily. If only we cut off enablers, we'll vomit them and we'll be pragmatic. We don't already see all sons and daughters of Ambazonia. For the 90s, we'll be see the one the way they be go make petition for UN. How this struggle start, we'll see the one the way they be done form organization can't stand because they want fight. And then they talk about this new one the way they don't come out to this in an organization them. We know people the way they fight for we bones and marrow and their blood. They be done give we Seseko, way for hella we stand for before. La Republic agent them, they enter for inside, they make sure say we not get unity. They make sure say them bring division where we leader they know for we stand for their for back. They want the way they will know say they go hella me be able for Chapia road me give we road for independence. They make sure say them push them far. They damn catchy go them now for their own day. We no day we. They want the way then they now where they feel hella we go for before where them be credible. We don't see them. We don't see them for their action. We don't see where they do them. Like Republic du Cameroon, they make sure say they go stop them. Even how they planted, they will go gather for UK. They make sure say that guard did not go happen. They are con men them. They make sure say they must stay for inside the table. Now I don't know the years one they talk say, hey Sako must stay for the for who side? He go there for your day for negotiation like who? It represent which organization? You know get no organization when they represent them. Even to say we want go for any true negotiation or dialogue for the interest of our people, it go come now by the legitimate and credible leader them. It no go come when La Republic du Cameroon in one way. Because if we accept this way, where they want to come for Yaoundé now, at the end of the day, it will be like perpetual a cycle of negotiation where you no go give you anything. And they will end up use them like opportunity for kill all the Ambazonian leaders them, where they get eye for defend the people their interests. Me will go back for the same cycle. For the sake of all the brave Ambazonia them, where they don't pay the ultimate price for our freedom, we need for as a people for vomit falsehood and stop the entertainment and the popularism. We need for wise. For the first time, we don't need for be deceived number 2 time. When I remember Agobala Bida already signed document before the one release it. As the one talk say negotiation, if probably nobody even finished talk, it already saying piam ide for inside. Even though SDF then deny when I hear from the can stand talk say they for inside, una now know who then they for una know who they know they for una. Una decision then be critical at this moment. When I see how they would struggle for bring all those fighters for ground me then come together in a real coming together, signed document, memorandum of understanding. The contender force that form and coalition forces. When I see how they don't target them for destroy them, because now the only hope for Ambazonia, no be lie. Ayabacho Lucas, now the only hope for Ambazonia for us here now, so as I tell now. Now he don't keep, if no be this struggle for them finish with the Kasiseko. True, no be say na talk. God don't give Ambazonia 2 leaders. The one way Hong Kong, Seseko Ayok Tabi, and the one way who collapse, Dr. Ayabacho Lucas. Ma picking them, una come, una rally behind them, una give them the resources the way they need them for free homeland. Una already know the enablers. They don't fool una before. If they wanna allow me them fool una again this time, then shame go be na for we. Say now we get some problem for Ambazonia. No be La Republic again. I go repeat the condition and the posture we need for maintain them. Seramu will get our independence. We need this one leader them for come under a credible unity platform. Ayabacho and led by Ayabacho and Seseko, where representative Nana Yerima, me them form a single unitary command structure or collaborative formula where they fit present our case for abroad. Me, all the fighters then for ground zero, then come under one. I prefer the coalition forces because it get the strongest force of Ambazonia. Na the one for ADF. When I see General Efang, it don't really shows it don't replace General Ivor. When I see movement from Batibo to northern zone, southern zone, man, no cause sensitive location the way they do. We see the last time we did for Lebialem and all this area. Them it shows in a real nationalist army way they for all sides with the troops them with more than one unit well armed with their auxiliary forces and their sister forces. Me all the forces una gather around them. All man no be not in the army, the same like how not in the government. Una collaborate. Una see the terms. Una see example how unity dey for inside the contender force. All the forces and they then be equal. Una gather for the. Una make sure say they fighting for ground. You need to go for water. They need to fight na anyhow. They fight na for give diplomatic capital. Say me the diplomacy way to go for aside me work. Any other man where you can't talk any other thing. Say when I go form the one for this, when I go form for the one for the one. Now enable like the way they work for Pobia, they try for spoil our prospect because we need for demonstrators will get a common military platform, command structure where the back up which way the political leadership they do them. It be important. America, their CIA, their report card, it be done talk them so. So even Samuel Monso, when I be the master planner for Mr. Pobia, now he train all the SDO them. This is if he don't stand, he talk him. Once more, I don't take the donkey, I go down for corner water. Whether you go drink the water, it be left up to he. Panabo for today, now say, if them fool you one time, now shame for that man where he can fool you. If them fool you number 2 time, shame it enough for your head. Make we hold grass, we hold hand like one people. We observe the Independent Days goes down every Monday. Now the only way our population will show the world, say will not be satisfied with one independent and separation from La République du Cameroon. May we resist, may we fight for our independence. We can do it. Make our revolution and fighting be short-lived. May independence, democracy, civil liberty and freedom be forever in an independent Ambazonia. God bless you. Capo Daniel signing out.
Nothing to walk. People just suffer. Making there for boom. Papa put your hands